Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. Yeah, I'm about to show you exactly what's going on with this car. It's been madness, mad confused. What routes I'm gonna take, what journeys I'm gonna be going down with this car. I didn't know, and I was just kind of going with the flow, and this is what I ended up with. I ain't finished yet, still mid-process. I'm even shocked myself. Stay tuned. Hold on, stop. I'm busting to go pee. Yeah. Primed this already. So this is the problem that I had here. Quick problem. You know these sound deadening panels? I actually tried to take one off using oh man, what is it? It's like basically I saw on YouTube that some guy was taking one off with what's that bottle called, man? That dry air thing, because basically it does get really cold. Unfortunately for this car here, it's mad hard. People are using dry ice, but I think I'm just gonna prime over it, let the primer soak in for a little while, prime it again, sand it down like slightly, give it a like little scotch so that it might, you know, it doesn't turn, it doesn't discolor. Prime it again, do that a few times, and take from there, and then get ready to spray the insides. Wrap everything up and spray. Fingers crossed. Cover up the wires, take from there. Mad one. I don't know what's encouraged me to, should I say encouraged? This is the word. I don't know what's possessed me to do this, man. I just think that all the last cars I've kind of went towards this, but I've never actually done it. But I do believe if you do something like this, you do have to do it properly, man. I'm gonna try to do this one properly. So basically, I'm scratching down the interior. I've done some cut-ins. Like, you guys are not going to be too happy, but I've done some cut-ins, I've done some rewirings, so there's less wires going to be seen. This is all going to be tucked away. I'm going to keep this panel here. I don't know, man. Keep the panel there just so there's still a little touch dampening, you know, so it's not too echoing here. Then I'm going to clean everything up, sand everything down, clean everything up, and then start priming. Before I start priming, start masking. Everything you can see that's not blue is going to be blue, gloss blue, the same colours outside of the car. I've done the cutouts already for the rear seat delete. So this is the plan. Spray the inside of the car, put the rear seat deletes in. Before I do that, get a roll cage, and then recut the rear seat deletes for the roll cage. So basically just cut the boards out, get them ready, and then wrap the seat, wrap everything, get some nice bucket seats, Bob's your uncle. Then we're gonna start with the engine.